Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the PlayStation error code WS-116417-0. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to sign in to the PS Store or connect to PSN. In some cases, users have shared that they started receiving this error after a power outage or after updating their PS5. According to our research, this error can occur if your IP address is flagged by Sony's servers, or your internet is unstable, or your PlayStation console is not up to date. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to unplug your internet overnight. Once done, plug it back in and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, then the issue might be with your IP address. We recommend you to contact your internet service provider and request them to change your IP address. Once they update it, check for the error again. If the error still comes, then make sure your PlayStation console is running the latest system software. To do so, go to Settings, then select System, then choose System Software and check for any available updates. If there are any new updates, then install them and check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then try connecting your console using a mobile hotspot instead of your regular Wi-Fi. This will help you check if the issue is related to your current network. At last, if the error still persists, try rebuilding the database. To do this, turn off your PS5 completely. Then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep to boot into safe mode. Then connect your controller via USB cable, then select Rebuild Database from the options and wait for the process to complete. Once done, check if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.